Hello again, this is Chris Nowatzki from the Office of Space Management, and in this video I'll be walking you through on how to turn on and off layers and explain how to interpret this data. After that, I'll be showing you how to use the charts and graphs that have been created showing various Factbook related data. So let's begin with the layers and legend. In the top left, you will see by default the layers list will be displayed. Here you will be able to turn on and off all layers simply by clicking the box to the left. The layers display various related Factbook data that is found in the pop-up when clicking on a building. It ranges from building use, data construction, gross net square footage. For example, let's display the net square footage of all buildings. Once turned on, labels will automatically generate over each building with the total net square footage for each building. The color of the building is representing the range that the net square footage falls under. To understand what each color is representing, reference the legend. There are two ways to see the legend. The first way is to click the small arrow to the left of the layer. The other way to see the legend is go back to the top left of where it's right next to layer list and click on legend. This legend supplies a little bit more information as it shows all current layers that are currently on. Now on to how to use the charts and graph tool, which is located at the bottom left of the screen. Let's first turn off our building net square footage layer. Depending on the information you wish to display, it will either be in a pie chart or a graph, but the interaction with these two are the same. Click on the type of data you would like to see. Let's start with building use. If you would like to see the building use for all data and buildings in the entire Factbook, do not click this box that says Use Spatial Filter to limit features, and click Apply. As you can see, this is reflecting all of the Factbook information. If you would like to see just what was on your screen, press Clear, and let's go back home. Go back to Building Use, and this time let's click on Use Spatial Filter to limit features. This is only going to take the information that is currently in your view. Click Apply, and as you can see here, the only information that's being shown is on main campus. If you would like to see where these academic buildings are actually located, hover over them. As you can see, not only is the total gross square footage being reflected here in the bottom left, in the map itself, the buildings with academic use are being highlighted. If you click, it will zoom in to the academic buildings. Same with operations. Now let's check out a bar graph. Press Clear, and the building cost replacement. Remember that this is in thousands. Again, let's look at main campus, or what is currently in our screen. Use the spatial filter to limit the features, and click Apply. Again, the interaction is very similar to the pie chart. So if you wish to see the building that has the gross or building cost replacement, click on it and it will zoom right there to you. Whenever you're done looking at a chart or pie chart, press Clear and it will take you back to the default chart. What else is included in this tool is infographics. Let's click back home to get a more normal screen. And the infographics are located at the top left, right where you see this word chart. Click on building use. It's very similar to the pie chart. However, the pie chart that you created using the chart tool, the only fallback on this is that when you do click on it, it will not zoom to it. If you want to get back to the default view of where the charts were, go back and click on the chart and you'll be here again. If you have any questions or suggestions of information that you think you would like to include as a chart or an infographic, please feel free to reach us at the Office of Space Management and we'll see what we can do. Thank you. Have a great day.